The blue economy, which consists of economic activities dependent on marine resources, comprises 4.51% of the India's economy as reported by the government. However, it appears that this number has been underestimated as a lot of economic activities relating to blue economy goes unreported. As an expert on the blue economy and having taught this subject for over 3 decades, so could you give a very broad perspective about global blue economy and also about India?
That ocean is 70% of the Earth's surface area. But that's only one way of looking at it. If you look at the living space in the ocean, it is 99%. Is 90% of all trade is by the sea. The world produces 100 million tons of fish, that is capture fishery, and 50 million tons of mariculture. Much of it is in the coastal region. Ocean do 50% of carbon absorption, and it is also absorbing all our waste. Oceans are called the global dustbin. You know, everything, 90% of the pollution ends up in the sea. And the ocean keep our planet livable. Without ocean, our temperatures will be extreme, like on the moon. Very, very hot during the day, very, very cold during the night. So what is blue economy? So blue economy is defined by the World Bank as a sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth, improved livelihoods, so that's where the people come in, and jobs, while preserving the health of the ocean ecosystem. What are the various governance features of blue economy? So I mentioned the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which came in 1982. And at the same time, 10 years later, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change came about. Okay. So these two framework conventions, they guide the blue economy. There are other organizations such as the International Maritime Organization, which looks after shipping, safe shipping. There are Commonwealth Secretariat, which is a smaller organization, but global organization of all the former Commonwealth countries. They have got a Commonwealth Blue Charter also.
Sure.
Closer to our home, we have got something called the Indian Ocean Rim Association. And even India has got interests in Antarctica. So we are not part of the Antarctica Treaty System as such, but we are members of the Antarctica Treaty System. Okay. And we are also on the Arctic Council as observers. So let me very quickly also give you some comparisons.
Sure.
What is the total economy and what is the blue economy?
Yes.
So if you see the global economy, it's 90 trillion, of which blue economy is 3 trillion, which is about 3%.
Okay.
And our economy, which is 2.7 trillion, has a blue economy component of $110 billion.